Today we're featuring 8 useful kitchen and home products that can make everyday life easier. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Fretta Cold Press Juicer. Fresh juice can be a great way to add more fruits and vegetables to your daily routine, but many juicers are noisy, difficult to clean, and waste a lot of ingredients. This cold press juicer uses slow masticating technology to help extract more juice while preserving natural flavor and nutrients. The wide 3-inch feeding chute reduces prep time by allowing larger fruit and vegetable pieces. It also operates quietly, making it ideal for early mornings. Easy to assemble and clean, this juicer offers a convenient way to enjoy fresh homemade juice every day. Number 2. Ninja CREAMi Scoop and Swirl Ice Cream Maker. Making homemade frozen desserts usually takes time and limits you to just 1 or 2 options. The Ninja CREAMi is designed to give you far more flexibility, allowing you to create ice cream, soft serve, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt, and more from the comfort of your home. With multiple preset programs, it helps deliver smooth and consistent results while letting you customize ingredients to match your preferences. Whether you're making high-protein treats, dairy-free desserts, or classic ice cream, you have complete control over what goes into every batch. One of its standout features is the ability to transform frozen bases into creamy desserts with minimal effort. For families, dessert lovers, or anyone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, this machine brings a wide variety of frozen treats into one convenient appliance. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Busy mornings often leave little time to prepare a proper breakfast. This dual breakfast sandwich maker is designed to help you create 2 hot sandwiches at the same time in just a few minutes. Simply add your bread, eggs, cheese, and favorite ingredients, and the machine cooks and assembles everything for you. The dual design makes it especially useful for couples, families, or anyone who wants to prepare multiple sandwiches at once. A built-in timer helps ensure consistent results, while the removable cooking plates make cleanup quick and easy. The non-stick surfaces also help prevent food from sticking during cooking. For anyone looking for a faster and more convenient breakfast routine, this appliance offers an easy way to enjoy fresh, homemade breakfast sandwiches without the hassle of using multiple pans and cooking tools. Number 4. Zulay Kitchen Cast Iron Juicer. Fresh citrus juice is a great addition to many recipes and drinks, but electric juicers can be bulky, noisy, and difficult to clean. This heavy-duty manual juicer offers a simpler solution. Built from durable cast iron, it uses a powerful lever system to extract juice efficiently from oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, and other citrus fruits with minimal effort. The design helps maximize juice output while leaving behind seeds and excess pulp. One of its standout features is the detachable strainer system, which makes cleanup much easier after use. Since it doesn't require electricity, it's also a reliable option for everyday kitchen use without taking up too much counter space. For anyone who enjoys fresh citrus juice, homemade drinks, or cooking with fresh ingredients, this juicer provides a durable and effective way to get more juice from every fruit. Number 5. Ninja DoubleStack XL Air Fryer. Air fryers are popular for quick and healthier cooking, but many models take up a lot of counter space. The Ninja DoubleStack XL is designed to solve that problem with a compact vertical design while still offering a large cooking capacity. Its dual basket system allows you to cook 2 different foods at the same time, with separate temperatures and cooking settings. Whether you're preparing chicken in one basket and vegetables in the other, or cooking an entire meal at once, it helps save both time and effort. With multiple cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, and reheating, it can handle a wide variety of recipes. Despite its space-saving design, it offers enough capacity to prepare meals for larger families or gatherings. For anyone looking to cook faster, save counter space, and prepare multiple foods at the same time, this air fryer delivers impressive versatility in a compact footprint. Number 6. AMZCHEF Portable Range Hood. Cooking indoors can sometimes leave lingering smoke, grease, and food odors, especially in smaller kitchens or spaces without proper ventilation. This portable range hood is designed to help improve air quality wherever you cook. Unlike traditional range hoods, this compact unit can be placed directly on a countertop, making it ideal for apartments, indoor grilling, hot pot nights, RVs, and small kitchens. It uses a multi-speed fan system to help capture smoke, steam, and cooking odors while operating with relatively low noise. Its portable design means you can move it wherever it's needed, and the built-in oil collection system helps reduce grease buildup around your cooking area. The removable filters also make maintenance simple. For anyone who enjoys indoor cooking but wants a cleaner and more comfortable environment, this portable range hood offers a practical solution without requiring permanent installation. Number 7. Geedel Food Chopper. Chopping onions, garlic, nuts, and vegetables by hand can be time-consuming and messy, especially when preparing larger meals. This manual food chopper is designed to make food prep faster and easier. With a simple press-down mechanism, it quickly chops ingredients into smaller pieces without requiring electricity. It's especially useful for onions, garlic, peppers, nuts, and other everyday ingredients commonly used in cooking. The compact design takes up very little kitchen space and is easy to store when not in use. Since the blades and container can be cleaned easily and are dishwasher safe, cleanup is just as convenient as food preparation. For anyone looking to save time in the kitchen while reducing the effort of repetitive chopping tasks, this food chopper offers a simple and practical solution for everyday cooking. Number 8. ChefWave Milkmade Plant-Based Milk Maker. Store-bought plant-based milk can be expensive, and many brands contain added sugars, preservatives, or ingredients you may not want. This plant-based milk maker gives you more control by allowing you to create fresh milk right at home. Designed for almonds, oats, soy, cashews, coconut, and other ingredients, it offers multiple preset programs to simplify the process. Instead of buying different cartons from the store, you can make fresh batches whenever you need them. One of its standout features is the automatic self-cleaning function, which helps reduce cleanup time after use. The compact design also fits easily on most kitchen countertops without taking up excessive space. For anyone following a dairy-free lifestyle or looking for a more customizable alternative to store-bought options, this machine provides a convenient way to enjoy fresh, homemade plant-based milk with minimal effort. Those were 8 useful products worth checking out. All product links can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.